So I'm going to show you today my lemon dill asparagus power bowl. We started off with the lemon dill asparagus dressing. So we're going to start off with one big, large garlic clove, and then I'm going to take Grey Poupon, a little bit of Dijon, whatever Dijon you have, and we just do a little Dijon. Of course, we need some honey. Have to sweeten that up just a little bit. Of course, some apple cider vinegar, and then we're going to do some lemon. Squeeze all of the lemon that you have, put that in, and then a little bit of some lemon pepper seasoning, a little bit of dill sauce. So this is a dill sauce that you can get right at the grocery store. About a half a cup of some avocado oil as well. And then we are gonna take asparagus. So simple to do. Let me show you how to make this asparagus. I steam it and I put it in just a saucepan, steam that just a few minutes, and I like to do about a cup of this. And then once it comes out, we're just gonna blanch it, get it cold. You could run it under cold water if you didn't want to do an ice bath. And then it's about a cup of that. You just want it really, really tender. So we're gonna do that, about a cup. Of course, we have to add some dill. Then we are just gonna blend this up. Look at that beautiful green color. This is such a great asparagus dressing that will go with so many things. I think it's perfect. I'll set this aside, and then now we are going to put our power bowl together. Okay, so asparagus, we need to add some asparagus. It's raining out today, so I'm not going outside to grill, but I am going to grill right here in my kitchen. Medium high heat. I wanna do maybe 5-6 minutes, something like that. I take asparagus and I add just a little bit of some avocado oil, a little bit of lemon pepper, and I put that over, and then I just keep turning them. So we're just gonna let those go. I did a couple already ahead. If you can see, we want them tender, fork tender, but we also want a nice bite. So we just don't wanna let those go too long. And that is going to be the main part of our power bowl. So let's go ahead and start our power bowl. We're gonna take a bowl, and we're gonna take whatever of your fresh salad, mixed greens that you like. So we start with that. And then now we're just gonna load up on, and like I said, this is all customizable. You pick what you like. I have some edamame, and I'm gonna put that on the side here. I have some black beans. I also love chickpeas, so you could do that. There's some extra protein. Here I have some white rice. And you could do quinoa, you could do couscous, you could do farro, you could do any grain or rice. I like the white rice because it's made out of vegetables and not just regular rice. I do a little bit of radish. I love that. A little bit of some cabbage. I love the crunch on this cabbage. And if you wanted to not have any dairy, that's fine. I love feta with asparagus, so I like to add some feta to this power bowl. Some beautiful little pea shoots. Oh, I can hear the asparagus going. Can you hear that? All right, so we're gonna take that, and then our asparagus, the showstopper, all of this asparagus right here. We're gonna add right on top because that's the star of the dish, is the asparagus. And then from there, we're gonna take our dressing, and then we are just gonna drizzle that all over this power bowl. This is beautiful. You could plate this up family style if you wanted as well. You could put this on a great big platter and add this. And there you have it. It is my lemon dill asparagus power bowl. I hope you guys enjoy it. Recipe will be up on the website.